Kaizer Chiefs are not serious. I-management yaku Chiefs, they are not serious. Abeko serious ngokwina, abeko serious ngokimprove team, abeko serious nangama-fans wabo. They don't take their fans serious. I don't understand what's happening lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if maybe kunomuntu lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs nje ozama ukumosha igama le team or ozama nje uqeda team because lezi zinto lezi ezenzakalayo lapha ku Chiefs sometimes zibuya zambe zis confuse. Now, my biggest question is, before we go any further into why I say Kaizer Chiefs is so, Kaizer Chiefs has developed good players. I'm talking about good players. Ama-player amanye sewadlala overseas. Abanye baku World Cup as we speak. Mara they didn't represent the Kaizer Chiefs at first team level. It doesn't make sense. I'll make you an example. Ukhuluma nindamani product ye Chiefs. Ugu uhambe wayo China ku-TS Galaxy nangu khona manje Mamelodi Sundowns Bafana he's at the World Cup. Puso de Tejan hambe wayo China ku-TS Galaxy now ku-Chicago Fire he's overseas. Lo mfana lowe umdaka lowe Stellenbosch, he's a Chiefs product. Look at him doing big things laphayana ku-Stellenbosch FC. Kaizer Chiefs, in case you didn't know, they had a chance yokusayina lo mfana lo qeda ukusayina Orlando Pirates khona manje umthiyani while he was still playing in the NFT. Kaizer Chiefs had a chance to sign him lapho, but they didn't take the negotiation serious. But delay abayilinda maqeda Stellenbosch samthatha, and now he's going to shine elsewhere ku Orlando Pirates. So the biggest issue number one ku Kaizer Chiefs is the person that's responsible for the signing of players and the person that's responsible for scouting players, because clearly loyo muntu loyo uhlezi adlula ukusayina ama player right. When that person has to sign the right players for the team uyahlulakala. They had a chance. Guna like Kaizer Chiefs wanted Ozwin Police, but they couldn't get him. Wayothola Orlando Pirates, and it doesn't make sense why a team as big as Kaizer Chiefs yona would struggle to sign the right players for the team. Angi understand lento le ayingenzeli sense. So there's someone lapha ku Chiefs ongayenza umsebenzi wakhe. Either loyo muntu loyo doesn't have a good understanding of football, or loyo muntu loyo is just trying to sabotage the club, because I don't even anginayo ingcazelo lento le yenzakalayo. Now, another question that I have, what is the purpose of the Toyota Cup? Like idlalelwani Toyota Cup, are they just trying to make sponsor sabo happy? Is Toyota a client ebhadalayo ukuthi azinsizo zami ukujabulisa? What is the purpose of the Toyota Cup? Yenzani for Chiefs Toyota Cup? What is it doing for the players? Aba players ba benefita in from the Toyota Cup. What do the supporters also benefit from the Toyota Cup? Because clearly it doesn't give the supporters bragging rights. Angeke nifike nikhomela ama supporter amanye ama team ukuthi nina win Toyota Cup. So that's why I need to, there's someone at Kaizer Chiefs who just doesn't take umsebenzi wabo serious. Now they're going to play against the team AS Zimbabwe. So Chiefs is going to fly down all the way to Zimbabwe. Why take the game to Zimbabwe? Why take the game to Zimbabwe? Does Chiefs have a big support? Bana masupporter maningi na Zimbabwe ukuthi nithathe game nambi niyise Zimbabwe. Bring those guys la. And now uBobby yena self uhambile or usazohamba uya eZimbabwe. Apparently kune rumor ningangicorrecta nine information engcono ukhlula mina, but kune rumor yokuthi it seems as though Kaizer Chiefs, they trying to build a relationship nale team so that they can start signing Zimbabwean players. Sharp maningi ama player figure asuke from Zimbabwe eza ku Kaizer Chiefs bashayina bayisizi Chiefs, abo Knowledge Musona, Willard Katsande, Tinashe Ngomashe, abo Jimmy Jambo. They've had exceptional players come from Zimbabwe bazoshayina ku Kaizer Chiefs. But now the question is, does our football allow those types of relationships still now? Ibhola lethu lichangile, izinto azisafane nakudala. We don't play football like how we played back in the days ngabo 2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2010. Izinto zishintshile khona manje. All Kaizer Chiefs needs to do abangene esikhwameni sabo. It's not that they don't have the money, they have the money, they have the means. Ngene esikhwameni sakho wena Bobby, whoever was responsible for signing players, ngene esikhwameni sakho uhambe uyo negotiate nama team for good players. Ulomfana lona usise, if the Chiefs would have pushed kube bamsayinile. Right now, this boy is saying that he wants to go play his football abroad. Akafuna ukudlala la South Africa, no matter how much they offer. But the Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Even if he went to Kaizer Chiefs, he was still going to find his way to Europe, because he Chiefs in America, so everyone watches Kaizer Chiefs. So it really doesn't make sense. And I don't understand. We didn't understand with the Makufe Cup as fans say bega for entertainment, because we enjoy watching Kaizer Chiefs play, especially when they're at their best. And then now it's this Toyota Cup. I understand why just prepare, take your players to a pre-season. If niyodlala Sweden ambani ne Sweden, cut le crap le Toyota Cup, because ayenzi next for a team, ayenzi next for my player. Ambani niyodlala England, makumele ukuthi niyodlala England, makumele ukuthi niyodlala Germany or Spain or gupi. Hambani, and they're not gonna travel no coach wabo. to pre-season yabo because coach yabo is still binded by a contract of his that expires on the 30th le Morocco. So they're not going to release him to go travel in the team. And you understand? And then another thing thanks for correcting me, Tebuho. Thank you for the correction. Toyota Cup is at the Royal Bafokeng Stadium. At least bazodlalela Royal Bafokeng. Thank you. Siyabonga ukuthi usicorrect. That's why kubalekile ukuthi sibe nabantu abasimamelayo masenza lezi zinto sizenza. Now, another thing I understand is the signing of coach Lona Fernando de Cruz. This guy failed under Unabi. He failed when he was part of Nabi's technical team. Wahamba kusa Eli. Wahamba kusa Eli. Wavele wahamba kusa Eli lo mchitalo. Now, iKaizer Chiefs bayahamba bayomsign and they appoint him as the main head coach. Like, why not go for a Manqoba Mngqithi? Why not go for a Pitso Mosimane? Why not go rekindle the relationship yakho no Atazwani because he's doing well with AmaZulu? Rather bring Atazwani back and say, can we give you another chance? Because it seems as though you're gaining a lot of experience with AmaZulu and you are doing well. Then maybe now you can hold down a team as big as Kaizer Chiefs. I understand Fernando de Cruz in a different azoyenza to what Nabi has done for Chiefs. What is he going to do different to what Lamachita Lawai to Kambu Ben Yusuf Nalo Munye Cedric Kaizer? And yes, as much as a lot of people are complaining about what Ben Yusuf said, but he's right. For Kaizer Chiefs to compete, they need to go sign at least 6 to 7 players that really know how to compete at that level, that can take the game to an Orlando Pirates, that can take a game to a Mamelodi Sundowns. Chiefs have they forgotten with Basane KEF Confederations Cup that they are going to compete for this season? Are they signing the right players that can go compete? Lapaya Thabo Moloisan is a good signing, although it's a color because he's a free agent, but because we know what he's capable of. He's a Bafana international. He's played for Bafana. Uhambile wayodlala KEF Confederations Cup Stellenbosch FC. He played in the final, so he understands what it's like to play in those conditions, and I believe that he's gonna lead it defense yabo ngendlela right. But for me, instead of depending goma free agent, goma free signings, waiting for a player kutaphelelwa ama contract kuzazo joining Chiefs, either you go within structure senu as Kaizer Chiefs, niyothatha ama player wako development niwa promote. There's a lot of good players, good TDC Chiefs that can actually compete lapaya. You either go promote those guys or you simply go compete ne Sundowns ne Pirates signing ama player. Kanti yini enzima ukuthi Chiefs ikokotela ama team ikhipha imali sign ama player. Imali khona lapha ku Chiefs. Ama sponsor khona lapha ku Chiefs. Ama supporter bayathenga ikit week in week out. Ama Jazz we Chiefs ahlezi are sold out. Ama supporter we Chiefs agcwalisa stadium during the week. So you can't tell me that Chiefs doesn't have the means to go sign players. You can't tell me ukuthi Chiefs ayina mali yokuthi yoninga negotiate nama team for sign ama player. Stop the signing of free agents. It's never worked for Kaizer Chiefs and it's not working for Chiefs, and it will never work for Kaizer Chiefs. Whoever is responsible for signing players must go and sign players. The reason the player wama free agents they're not doing well nabafika ku Chiefs, or they don't do well nabafika ku Chiefs, is because nalaba suka khona bese kuphelile akusekho right. Like I understand why umuntu mele azi ukuthi ayazini ithi ngidlale maybe for example kwaMaZulu. I know ukuthi mangiphelela contract there's a chance ukuthi ngizosign Chiefs. So players have hope now ukuthi noma contract iphele teamini Kaizer Chiefs will come knocking. They know ukuthi noma contracting aphele Kaizer Chiefs will come knocking. And then when the team doesn't do well masikhuluma thina bese it's as if we are being disrespectful, and thina we are not fighting anyone. Mina ngilwe namuntu, we want the best for our football. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. Now kukhona manje we are so proud to see local players dominate Bafana. It's local players that bebatabalaza lapha against Ichecha. It's a local player that took initiative and scored a penalty for Bafana. It's a local player, as much as adlale Europe manje uThapelo Maseko, it's a local player who created a penalty. So when local players do well, nasemhlabeni wonke siyabonakala. So imagine Bafana squad dominated by Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns players. Yokuphela ama player lapha nathi sizesixakeke. I mean, don't we want to get to a point where if Bafana calls a player where they play like Chiefs or Pirates or Sundowns asinandaba, because we know that player is capable. But now this thing yokuthi lama team lawa wethu wona Babis batatana nama free agent, it doesn't make sense to me. It honestly doesn't make sense to me. So any player in the PSL right now, my pelelo a contract bapagamisi kandalu, hoping Guti Kaizer Chiefs will come knocking, because when they are free, Kaizer Chiefs is always irradiant and it's on standby batata. Then we're gonna have another situation where Lebo Hangma outshines everyone. we Lebohang Mabu udlala ayi-1 and uyambona ukuthi naye now sekumele enze double the job because i-Chiefs ayifuni ukuyosayina ama-player, abafuni ukupromote ama-player. Instead of promoting players, they take these players and send them to other teams. Lama player lawo fika shine kulawo ma-team and then they come back and become a problem makumele badlale naleyo Chiefs bayipanishe. It won't make sense. How did Kaizer Chiefs lose uPhuswe Dithejane? How did they lose uKhulumani Ndamane? Bamluze kanjani uMdaka? These are players that were supposed to be shining at Chiefs as we speak. Ama-player ukuthi bekumele balethele i-Chiefs i-silverware, ama-player ukuthi bekumele balethele i-Chiefs ama-cup nezinto ezifana nalezo. How are these players shining elsewhere ukuthi ama-product asuka ku-Chiefs? There's a problem within Kaizer Chiefs. Kunomuntu phakathi lapha ku-Chiefs oyinkinga, kunomuntu ongenza umsebenzi wakhe lapha ku-Chiefs, kunomuntu lapha ku-Chiefs ohlele uyahola but loyo muntu loyo akenzi umsebenzi wabo. Solution is simple. Sign a scout because clearly lo muntu responsible for scout akhona manje akayazi into ayenzayo. Sign a technical director, umuntu ozothatha izinto zibe ne structure zibe ne order ku Chiefs. If you don't want to employ local coaches, it's fine. But if you're going to employ a coach, why go for a coach ukuthi kaba ne affiliation with the club when the club wasn't doing well? Like umthatha umbuyisa kanjani umuntu obeka khona lesikhathi kubheda yini azoyenza right ube khona kubheda and nalesikhathi kubheda he didn't come with solutions leyo muntu loyo. So yini azoyishintsha yenza kangcono this time? What makes you sure and so confident that Fernando de Cruz is gonna improve the situation at Kaizer Chiefs? What makes you think ukuthi Fernando de Cruz uzoshintsha izinto lapha ku Chiefs? It honestly doesn't make sense. Like it honestly doesn't make sense. Khona nje lo muntu lapha ku Chiefs bafethu angazi if lo muntu lona uzama ukusabotage club or lo muntu lona akawazi umsebenzi wakhe or maybe bavele baphu angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Either nabantwana bakhona, everyone who's in management needs to sit down and have a discussion amongst themselves and find a way to change the situation lapha ku Chiefs. If it means calling the legends, bona ama legends akuyadlalela Chiefs, nihlale nabo phansi and then let these legends tell you, because clearly maybe nina ni understand the culture of the team. Let the legends tell you ukuthi this is the culture of the team. This is how the team has always been successful. Bafethi Chiefs thina besazi ihlezi ine finisher baba. Bekuhlala kune striker semali ku Chiefs. Bekuhlezi kune striker shama goal ku Chiefs. Lately strikers akhona I remember when uKhanyisa Mayo afika bekuze yes yazi kwazi kwaba ne video afika abulisa wonke ama player awokha lapha ezifu umuntu oyefika shintsha isimo ku Chiefs. He's only scored 2 goals. Only 2 goals. As a striker since afikile lapha ku Chiefs, he's only scored 2 goals. So I'd like to believe ningangicorrecta futhi lapho ku comment section, please correct me if nyamosha. The last time Chiefs had a lethal striker ukuthi beshayi goal Knowledge Musona. Am I wrong? Because uKingston Nkatha Fede uzamile naye nabongcobo bakhe bafika but umsona uye besazi ukuthi baba lona noma kuthiwa kudlalwa nePirates ulishanga phakathi. So sometimes you study your opposition. Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates, what are they doing right? They go out baye ku market, baya negotiate nama team baze bakwazi nokwenza ama swap deal acacile so that they get the right players that can help the teams to compete. Now we do the same thing. Funa ama player right. If it means ukuthi Chiefs mele izincishe imali ukuthi I know besithi soyenza 1 2 3 asambeni so sign striker sakuphi do that, because mina ngiunderstand lento leyenzakalayo. Now bazohamba bayodlala iToyota Cup nale team le yaseZimbabwe, maybe there will be 1 2 3 good players. What if there are no good players at all? Then kuzokwenzakalani? Honestly, yes, Bernard Parker, then Bernard Parker, Nokovic was also a good striker. I agree with you, Chafta. Thanks for the correction. Nokovic was also a good striker. But le lo mfana lo Khanyisa Mayo nje ayikho into ayenzile for Chiefs. And this is not an attack on the boy. This is not to say that I dislike the boy or anything. Mara ikinda yenzile for Kaizer Chiefs uKhanyisa Mayo. All they need to do is send him back where they took him. Kuthi mchita buyela la ubuya khona. And in South African football, we need to get to a point where asina patience nama coach nama player. If umuntu akadeliver akahambe. You see what about Al Ahly do? Niyabona ukuthi ko Al Ahly buzana uJose Rivera uzontshela ufika lapha 7 games but out. Asinaso leso sikhathi leso. We don't have time to be patient. Mawuhamba uyodlalela iChiefs, asikho isikhathi sokuthi sikumele sithi lo muntu is still gonna pick up, usazo improve, usa develop, usahlangana. Mawudlalela iChiefs, you must be a ready product, deliver. If you can't deliver, hamba uyodlala kuMagesi. Hamba uyodlala ku Orbit College. Now abo yini Milford baqeda ukupromotiwa, go run there. Go run there. We want the best for the best teams. Best players should be playing for the best teams in the country. Big players must play for big teams. And if you're a big player playing for a big team, you must be able to take the pressure that comes with playing for a big team. Of course, there'll be a lot of criticism. Abantu bazokcomplaina, abantu bazokuthanda, abantu bazokuzonda all at the same time in one season. That's football for you. A fan can love you and hate you in one season. Bakuzonde kule game, bakuthande kulenye game, bakuzonde kule game, bakuthande kulenye game. That's how football goes. As players, you just need to shut out the noise. Maqeda wena udlala iball and focus on your game. But it's said ukuthi ama-player lamalanga sewaya ku-Chiefs for Instagram following. Lama player manje na ufika ku Chiefs badlalele Instagram following. Umuntu afika ku Chiefs bekana ma Instagram followers ay 50,000. Now that he's playing for a big team sekana ma Instagram followers ay 100,000. Umuntu sekahleza afaka amacici nanani sekakhohliwe ukuthi you came to a big team. The supporters demand results. Bagcine nini ama supporter Chiefs ukubona i-team yabo compete for league 2020. How many years ago is that? Bagcine nini ukubona bathi sine belief yokuthi Chiefs bafethi Chiefs izoyithatha this season. The league is ours. No bafethi at least this season number 2 spots yafika. Bagcine nini. And shout out to Coach Atazwani. He's doing an amazing job lapha na KwaMaZulu. And I'm happy for Umtaka. Umtaka is going to do well under Coach Atazwani. Coach Atazwani believes in young players. That's why Mfundo Vilakazi is where he is today. Coach Ata believes in young players. Mfundo Vilakazi would have excelled under Coach Atazwani. He would have done exceptional. Coach Atazwani no Manqoba Mngqithi, they almost think alike. They believe in fresh talent and they give players an opportunity to shine. Mfundo Vilakazi was never given an opportunity to shine the way kwamele ukuthi shine ngakhona. Bamfaka 2 minutes. Makaqala igame bayamkhipha second half. And then sibona nje ama-glimpse wabo nan. So I don't know ukuthi labantu laba baku Chiefs bazimiseleni. What plans do you have for the boy Mfundo Vilakazi? Is he even part of a plan lapha ku Chiefs ukuthi no lo mfana lona mele simintroduce kanje? This is how we improve him. This is how we groom him. This is how he can get to compete at the highest level ngendlela ethizeni. Is there someone okhuluma naye lezo zinto Mfundo Vilakazi? Is there someone that's helping Shabalala improve his game? Is there someone that's out there saying let me go sign players that can make these two play best? Because labafana laba are the ones abangaba ama-player amakhulu we-Chiefs. But ke I don't think labantu laba bafethu basirious ngale ndaba zabo. And I would like to suggest another signing, since I know ukuthi Chiefs yawathanda ama-free agents. Maybe they should consider signing uSipho Mbuli. Sipho Mbuli is not finished. He's not over it. He still has a lot to offer. He's still a good player. He's a guy that I believe makangatholi chance, especially ukuthi efana ne-Chiefs angaba sharp. So izintonyana ezifana nalezo. Guys, the Chiefs, let's hope the situation will improve.